Captain Eric.
Woo! I'll tear him up.
That's right, run that dog. You fished these frogs before?
Yeah.
They're pretty cool.
I use different kind of frog. I use one that you kind of retrieve on, the steady retrieve.
Yeah. Got you one. Captain Eric getting on it. He got hung up, didn't he? Decent size one right there. Oh yeah. It's a good one all day. Captain Eric.
Right. Bad, not
Boom.
bad.
It's a good one.
There he is. Nice.
Feels big one. He feel like a big one, Captain Eric. Yeah, I think he is. Oh,
There you go.
he was more weed than anything, but
Yeah. It made your heart jump.
yeah, it did. First one on this frog.
That's a nice thing about having that 30 pound on it, though.
Yeah.
Voice them out.
Look at that. Look at that. Barely.
Nice.
Barely had him, but I had him.
Got the power to him now.
Yep. That's what you got to do when you're hung up in like that.
Yep.
Got to keep all that power up top. Yeah, that's a good one, Captain Eric.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, Captain Eric. Put me on that one right there. Got me one for the frog, another one for the frog series.
Is your GoPro going the whole time?
Going the whole time.
You're going to get your daddy.
Released it out right there.
Yeah, with that kind of frog, you want to take and just,
Yeah,
just
mimic it.
twitch
Just twitch it. Like that's what I was doing right there. I remember what you had said right there. And in between the pocket there and the lily pads, he just came up and ate it.
That's what the idea is, right? Is you see a little hole, bring it over those lily pads and stop it in that hole.
Yes.
And twitch it once or twice.
And he just, boom. He wanted that thing right there. And a big thing with fishing frogs is, when you get a blow up, the pause, you gotta wait. Make sure that, that you're setting the hook to something there. Exactly. You can't just react on a blow up. Turn around this way. Woo-hoo! Run that dog.
Come on, Joe. Come on, show the crowd.
Out here crankbaiting. See some color, see some color. He doggy. Skimpy little bud, but he bit.
Little spawning fish right there.
Yeah. All right. How deep you think you got that soft plastic?
I had a feeling that's what they were going to hit. They're laying down there on the bottom. Maybe not.
Captain Eric got him another one. He's out here ripping it on soft plastic. That's what I'm luring up or getting ready now. He's got him a nice one, yeah.
There's a jump for the kid.
There we go. That's a good one. That's a male, ain't it? Got a little aggressive male to bite. There you go, Captain Eric. Kiss for the camera. There you go. Woo! Seen the white, seen the color. Oh yeah, it's a big one too.
Oh, nice fish. There you go. Watch your tip. You're gonna break it. Nice.
On a speed crawl out here.
Is that 5 fish in the boat so far?
I think just about.
I got 3. You got 2?
Yep. Come on, fishy. Come on, fishy. There we go.
Got you now.
Yeah, I got you now. Scored him.
Nice work. There you go. Let's see if I can get a good video of him. There's JC's fish right there. Woo-wee.
Oh yeah. That's it right there, boys. Not a bad day out here with Captain Eric, I tell you.
Nope.
It put you on him.
I got a feeling we'll get some bigger fish.
Eric answering back with another one. Man, we're slaying them out here. We getting them to bite now. Ooh, he's a jumper too.
Keeper.
Woo, nice one, Captain Eric. There you go. You got him right around where I got the other one at. He's got beaten up before.
Yeah, this one's been caught before.
Yeah, he got beaten up before, all right. Solid fish, Captain Eric. Woo, woo, he jumped up back up. He flopped right back up. Captain Eric got him one. Switched it up over here.
There's another one with 2 fish right there.
He's a nice one too. Boom. There we are.
God's dumbest creature. We're in a deep hole right here. There you go. Nice.
Third fish of the day for me. I accidentally turned the camera off while I was bringing this guy in. I had it on.
Put it on.
Turn it off. I had it on. Nice little fish. Got to thank Captain Eric again. Told me right where to throw it. Told me they'd be sitting there waiting, and he sure was. Tell you what. Boom. Boom. Captain Eric. Not lying when he tells you he'll put you on 25, 30 fish. We're getting closer and closer to that number as the day progresses, ain't we, Captain Eric?
That's right.
Boom. Nice little hog mouth right there. That's a good one.
Better fish. Now we're cooking with gas.
Now we are. Whoop. There he goes. Slaying right off. Digging deep. He's going back deep. He came from deep and he's going back deep. See, the Senko worm's close to a June bug color. It's purple with the green flakes. I always stick to something that's like it, at least, if it's not the June bug color itself.
Purple June bug. Uh-oh, you got one.
Boom.
Nice. That's a better fish, too.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, he's on.
fighting like one, though.
Yeah. Right out there on that brush.
Nice. That's a good fish.
Yeah, he's definitely a decent one. Out here on the Senko, 4th fish of the day.
Like I said, we wouldn't be going hungry.
Yeah, we wouldn't be hungry at all, guys. We've been catching fish out here, for sure. For sure ski. He blew up on that Senko out there. Yeah, right in the edge of that reed. Captain Eric spotted it. He said, uh-oh. What'd you say about this one right here? He said, uh-oh, when he bit.
Damn, he got me again.
Got me again. Oh, man.
These fish are still
Nice
smaller.
fish. Little small thing. Captain Eric out here. I'm letting social media know what's up, and he's out here catching bass.
That little how fat that little guy is.
That is a fat little sucker. Hold on, let me get a closer look at that little belly. That sucker's eating right there.
Yeah, he ain't afraid of no fish.
Went the whole time on him. He's real quiet when he gets a bite, and then he just yanks that rod back. He'll be talking, he'll stop his sentence, he get a bite, boy. He's all his attention's turned to that right there. You had a little acrobat, healthy. You look at the color on those gills.
Iridescent almost. Come out of there.
Yeah, he's nice and dark. You can tell he likes to hide.
Yep. Yeah, all these fish will be dark because they're in this deep grass, you know?
Yeah.
Bad little fish.
Not a bad fish. Captain Eric. Give him the jump again. Woo, doggy.
You don't want one of them purple worms?
You getting them on that thing, man. I'll tell you what, if this Zoom baby bass breaks off again like it did the last time, I'm for sure going to ask you for one of those. Look at that fish. Look at the color on him. Woo, there he goes.
He's digging, too.
Yeah, he is. I see it. He does not. Come on, you little hog mouth. Yeah, right there, Captain Eric. That's right.
I'll let you go. Don't worry. Go tell your friends how nice me and JC have been to you.
Throwing you back. You and your friends. Whoop. Fine if I didn't say he just threw his line back in the water. He just threw his line back in the water. Look at this.
I call it his son.
Somebody come look at this. He just threw his line back in the water. No, yeah, he inhaled it. Buried that back in his esophagus.
Little bitty guy.
Little bitty guy. His son, like you said. It don't get better than coming out here and catching consecs, huh?
That's right.
Consecutives. Run that dog. I had to give you that lucky tap. That's what it was. Lucky tap.
Another better fish.
A nice big fish, yeah. Yeah, that's all you needed was that lucky tap. Look at you.
Still a little extra movement in that worm.
Yep.
Get it going sideways a little bit.
Caught his line a little bit with my crankbait. Got it off real quick, and then boom. It just needed that twitch from that crank getting caught up on that worm for that bass to bite. One last cast on this crankbait before I switch over to the soft plastics again.
I don't think our crankbait's a bad choice.
Ooh, no it's not, baby. No it's not. No it's not. That last cast right there. Oh yeah, baby.
Nice job, nice job. See that one with him? Another fish down there with him?
Woo.
Nice one.
One of the good ones today.
Nice one. That's one of the better ones of the day, damn right. We found him.
Oh yeah. That's right, baby. On the crank.
There you go. I tell you, that's some of my funnest. I love fishing crankbaits.
I love fishing crankbaits too, man. And what I say, I was like, one more time on the crankbait.
That crankbait's a good choice out here. We're in perfect depth of water.
Woo! Captain Eric, put me on that one right there. He said the day's not done.
We need to get some bigger fish now.
Yeah, right?
The little ones out. Get some bigger fish now.
Woo!
Good job.
All right. Thank you, Captain Eric.
That's what, 6 for you?
It's about 5 or 6. Yeah, I lost count now too. How many I caught?